Hey everyone, Ray here with Smith's Government Consulting with what will probably be my last video of 2024 here on LinkedIn. I do plan on spending a little bit of time after this week with my family, so taking a little bit of time off of work. But I did want to go through one quick tutorial here, and today we're going to look at a website called Unison. Two quick disclaimers. One, I do not work for Unison. I receive no income or pay from them whatsoever. And two, you will notice here in the URL, this is a .com website. That means it is not run by the federal government and it is not exclusive to GSA contract holders. So once you have your login, we're going to come into our dashboard. We're going to come over to opportunities and hit all opportunities. And you're going to see right now 59 different buys that are open on here. But let's just say we want to look at what is closing today. And I have one I want to specifically go through because it was a nice, easy one here. This one closes in 1 hour and 54 minutes, and it is for hot dogs. So we'll go ahead and click on the buy. And what you will note is Unison is a reverse auction website. So that means that you're going to put in a start price and a final price, and it's going to reverse auction all the way down to whichever price the buyer chooses. So up top, we're going to see some different things here: the buy number, solicitation number, the description, NAICS codes, size standards. But we're going to scroll down here a little bit more. We're going to see the description. So what they're looking for, all the data right in here, 1,000 pounds of hot dogs. And we're coming down here. What we're going to notice here is it is open market. So that does mean they are accepting open market. You will find some of these are specific to GSA contract holders, but this one is saying open market is allowed. And some other things we want to look at here are the different terms, conditions, their buy terms. And you guys can read through all of these. Big one here, shipping. They do want free shipping on this, so it is important to note when you're filling out this form, is shipping included or not included? And once we go through all that, we're going to scroll all the way down. The seller has no attachments in here, so we're going to hit start bid. And we'll call it bid descriptions hot dog, reference number 123456, and this would be whatever quote number in your system you've generated. Coming down again, reminding us open market bids are allowed. This is really important here, 30 days delivery. This is a non-negotiable. So Unison says 30 days, they want 30 days, so we do have to put in 30. If you were to put in 45, you're going to get an error saying that the bid cannot be accepted. And then all the different terms are in here. Minimum bid decrement is $1. And again, you can read all these as you go, but for the sake of this one, we're just going to hit accept all terms. And you'll see that that check marks every one of these terms that you've agreed to. Shipping information, this is really important here too as well. You're going to see what zip code it is shipping to so you can figure out how much your shipping is going to cost. Hit continue. And we'll just call it hot dog as the manufacturer, part number ABC123. And this is where it gets really fun. So let's just say per pound, we want to make, say, $50. Sounds a lot for a hot dog, but it is what it is. And our lowest amount that we will accept is $20 a pound. And now we're going to hit continue. And again, it's going through everything for us, confirming it all. Everything's been accepted. And now what we see here is our initial price is $50,000 bid. We're willing to accept $20,000. Unison does charge a fee for this. Your buyer will pay that, and you will pay it back to Unison, similar to the way that you pay your IFF on GSA. I'm actually not going to hit submit bid because I don't want to mess up this for the buyer. But what this is letting us know is this will automatically bid $1 less until you are the lowest bid, all the way down to the final second. This one now is at 1 hour, 51 minutes. Once you hit continue, it's going to tell us, are you the best price, the lowest price, and it's going to go from there. Other little thing to remember on here is you don't know who you're bidding against. So just because you're the lowest price does not mean you're going to win. Just because you're not the lowest price does not mean you're not going to win. But it is a really neat site to kind of play around with. So if you're not using Unison, definitely give it a shot. See what you think. Thanks, guys. Have a great end of year.